Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Usually I make daily videos, but now due to some technical issues I am not able to make videos every day. But now onwards I will try to make videos regularly. I am recording this video on my phone camera, and in front of my phone camera there is a laptop, and in that laptop I am opening a website named Random Object Generator. In that website I will generate three words randomly instantly now, and using that three words I have to make a story and tell you guys instantly, without thinking, without any editing, without any cuts. I will instantly generate a story in my mind or think a story in my mind, and I will tell them to you. This game I am playing, this is a storytelling game. This game I am playing just to improve my speaking skills and my personality and my storytelling skills. I'm playing this game, and every day, like similar to this, I'm uploading videos. This is my episode number 32 or 31. I am not sure about the video count, but without any delay, let's start our video. I used to make videos in Hindi, but now I've converted into English because I want to, as well as my personality and my speaking skills, I also want to improve my English, which is not too good, not great. So let's start our video. Let's generate the first word. The first word which is on my screen is shampoo. So shampoo is a good word. Shampoo is an Indian word, Indian discovered shampoo, which I recently read. And Indians made shampoo available throughout the world. Indian made shampoo. So this is a great invention. Let's talk about some story regarding shampoo, which will be my story from my childhood. Because previously when I was small, we don't used to have our family don't used to have a big bottle of shampoo. We don't used to use a big bottle of shampoo, because we used to use small pouches of shampoo, which is 2 rupees cost. So my father used to bring 10 or 20 of pouches every month, and that 20 pouches used to last a month. We were using these pouches and not the big bottle, because we used to change our company and change the quality of shampoo we use, because we never used a single brand of shampoo. We always used to have, someday we used to have Dove, then Pantene, then Clinic Plus, Head and Shoulder. Every month we used to change our shampoo. We never used a particular company of shampoo. That's why we never used a box of shampoo or a bottle of shampoo. We always used to have pouches, 2 rupees small pouches. And the problem about that small pouches is that if you are a big person like my mom and dad, you can use a entire pouch in single day. But when I was small, I wasn't able to use my full pouch at one go. I used to tear that pouch with my mouth, and I used to use some shampoo and used to keep that pouch in the bathroom and used to reuse it for few days. So once like similarly like the same day, once I used a shampoo and put it in my bathroom, kept it in my bathroom for few days, and by mistake that shampoo pouch fell in the ground, and I didn't notice. The next day when I went into the bathroom to bath, I wasn't able to find my shampoo pouch. I was looking around, where is my pouch, and suddenly my leg fell in the pouch and I slipped very hard. I slipped like a some slide in water park. Very hard. I was wearing my pant. I didn't open my pant till then. I was wearing my pant. I wasn't wearing any shirt. My pant got teared, but my leg got stuck at the last point of the bathroom. That's why I didn't got too much hurt, but little bit of bad pain I had in my back. So the next word which I am generating is a boat. Next word is a boat. So at that time when now I'm now I'm staying in a flat. Now I'm living in a flat, but previously I used to live in a small building, in a small house, rented house. There when it used to rain, it was a backward place, village type place. When it used to rain, it was great flood in my area. So what I used to do, that I make boat and paper boat and used to float in that water which is flooded near my house. So I used to put some shampoo inside that boat. I used to do a very little tricky thing, that I used to make a paper boat and put some shampoo inside it and make a little hole at the bottom of the boat. What used to happen, that the shampoo used to fell when the boat used to run. The shampoo used to fell in the boat, and the boat make a bubble from the back, and it used to run fast. It used to flow fast, and it felt very good that it is a motor boat and it is making bubble from the back and it is going forward like a regular boat. So the paper boat looked amazing, but it used to sink very easily because of the hole. The water used to get inside and it used to sink very often, very easily. But that beginning few minutes was very satisfying, worth watching. Now, the third word is children's book. So when at that time I used to have a children's book, children's nursery book, nursery rhymes book, when I was a kid, small kid. So those pages were very nice. The book, the children books pages, the rhyme pages are very nice, very hard coated pages. So the boards made out of that pages were very nice, very good quality, because the pages are so good. They were waterproof, somewhat waterproof, not totally waterproof. So those pages, board made out of those pages was very nice. It used to sail around the water of the flood very long. So that's the story. It was a very stupid story, by the way, and my English was English sucks. My English sucks, was suckingly bad. So it was a यार बहुत ही घटिया स्टोरी था यार, क्या ही बताएं. इंग्लिश तो पहले हुआ ही नहीं, इंग्लिश में पूरा मरिया गए अपन, ठीक है, मरिया गए इंग्लिश में. यार पहला है ना, इसमें क्या डिफिकल्टी हो रहा है, इसमें दो तीन ज़्यादा डिफिकल्टीज हो जा रहा है. पहला ये हो रहा है कि मुझे पता नहीं है स्टोरी क्या है. आज का स्टोरी था ना, मुझे कोई सीन नहीं था, कोई मतलब नहीं था आज के स्टोरी का, ठीक है. मुझे पूरा अपने मन से मतलब सोच साज के अंडरस्टैंड स्टोरी बनाना पड़ा. ये था पहला भूल, पहला मतलब प्रॉब्लम. दूसरा प्रॉब्लम ये था कि मुझे इंग्लिश में मैं सोच नहीं पाता हूँ. इंग्लिश में क्या होता है ना, मैं पहले हिंदी में सोचता हूँ, फिर उसको इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ और फिर उसको इंग्लिश बोलता हूँ. तो हिंदी सेंटेंस मुझे पहले सोचना पड़ता है, फिर उस सेंटेंस को मैं इंग्लिश में कन्वर्ट करता हूँ, कन्वर्ट करने के बाद उसे बोलता हूँ. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या हो रहा है ना, अगर ऐसा भी मैं बोलता हूँ ना तो मैं काफ़ी फास्ट बोल पाता हूँ. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं इंग्लिश फ्लुएंटली नहीं बोल पाता हूँ, मैं बोल लेता हूँ. लेकिन इसमें क्या हो रहा है ना, हिंदी में सोच रहा हूँ मैं, लेकिन सोचने में टाइम लग जा रहा है क्योंकि स्टोरी मुझे पता नहीं है. स्टोरी पूरी मुझे खुद से बनानी पड़ रही है. ऐसे जो स्टोरी टेलिंग के वीडियोस है जो मैं हिंदी में जो बनाता था, उसमें भी मैं अटक अटक के बोलता था क्योंकि स्टोरी मुझे पता नहीं है. रुक रुक के बोलना पड़ता था क्योंकि स्टोरी मुझे पता नहीं है. स्टोरी मुझे खुद बनाना पड़ रहा है और खुद बोलना पड़ रहा है. तो जब मैं खुद से बना के बोलता था तो हिंदी में भी मैं अटक जाता था. तो यहाँ पर मेरा दो प्रॉब्लम हो गया. पहला है स्टोरी वाला, जो कि मुझे स्टोरी पता नहीं है, और दूसरा प्रॉब्लम है कि इंग्लिश में क्या होता है ना, सोचने के बाद आपको सेंटेंस फ्रेम करने के लिए कंप्लीट सोचना पड़ता है, ठीक है. मुझे यही नहीं पता, मैं अभी एक वर्ड बोल रहा हूँ, मैं नेक्स्ट वर्ड क्या बोलूंगा मुझे यही नहीं पता है. स्टोरी में ऐसा हो रहा है. तो मुझे अपने स्टोरी जो इंस्टेंटली जो स्टोरी मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, ये इंस्टेंट स्टोरी पे ध्यान देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मेरे लाइफ में ना ऐसी कोई बहुत ज़्यादा स्टोरीज है नहीं। स्टोरीज किसके पास होती है लाइफ में? जिसके पास एक्सपीरियंस ज़्यादा है, जो पढ़ता जाता है, ठीक है, जो मूवीज बहुत ज़्यादा देखता है, जो मतलब ऐसे पढ़ता बहुत ज़्यादा, वो स्टोरीज बहुत ज़्यादा बोल पाता है। जो स्टोरीज बुक्स बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ता है, मैं ये सब मूवी पढ़ता नहीं हूँ, मूवी भी देखता नहीं हूँ। ज़्यादा कोई लाइफ के एक्सपीरियंसेस भी नहीं है मुझे जो याद हो, जो मैं बोल पाऊँ। इसलिए आई सक ड्यूरिंग स्टोरी टेलिंग यार, आई सक ड्यूरिंग स्टोरी टेलिंग। तो ये वीडियो ना मतलब यार 2 आउट ऑफ 10 होगा यार। हर दिन मैं रेटिंग देता हूँ अपने वीडियो को, आज दूंगा 2 आउट ऑफ 10। ठीक है, बहुत ही वाहियात हुआ आज का वीडियो। कोई बात नहीं यार, इंग्लिश तो हो ही रहा है यार, सीख रहे हैं यार। मिलते हैं अगले बार, बाय।